For making urad chana dal mix, we have taken split urad dal 1 cup and 1/3 cup of chana dal. Now we need to wash it with cold water thoroughly. So we will be using the manual grinder like this to ground the cloves and the ginger for the dal. For cooking chana urad dal, we have heated 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter in a pan. Now add a pinch of asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, allow the cumin seeds to become brown. Keep the flame on medium. So once cumin seeds become brown, we will be adding the ground ginger and cloves. So we have taken 4 cloves. Stir it well and roast the ginger and cloves. Once the ginger is roasted, we will be adding the chopped green chilies and chopped tomatoes. So we have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes which we have chopped them. Stir it well. Add the salt as per your taste. One teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir it well. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes till the tomatoes become soft. So once the tomatoes become soft, add the washed lentils. Stir it well. Now add 6 cups of water. So you can adjust the water as per the consistency of dal you want. Keep the flame on medium. Close the lid. So once water comes to a boil, keep the flame on medium low and boil the lentils until they become soft. Now the water has started boiling. So just check the lentil once. So now we need to cook the lentils on a medium low flame until the lentils become soft and nice.
You can also pressure cook it by following the same step for 1 to 2 whistles.
So now you can see our lentils have been ready. So to test it whether the lentils are ready or not, you can press a lentil and it is soft. So now our lentils are ready. Now garnish with some chopped cilantro leaves
and half teaspoon garam masala.
And now it is ready to serve. So now we have served the urad chana dal and it really tastes very delicious. Enjoy it with roti, paratha, naan or rice with your family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many such delicious recipes. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.